Students, we would be discussing this question and its solution. The question says nitration of aniline in strong acidic medium also gives M-nitroaniline because. So we have to give the reason, and the four options given to us are: in spite of substituents, nitro group always goes to only M position. In electrophilic substitution reactions, amino group is meta-directive. In absence of substituents, nitro group always goes to M position. In acidic strong medium, aniline is present as anilinium ion. So the answer for this question is fourth, and the explanation goes by: we have to focus on anilinium ion because aniline in strong acidic medium would obviously make anilinium ion, because if we see the equation, it is aniline with strong acidic medium H plus, it becomes NH3 with minus sign. So this is anilinium ion and it is meta-directive, more of meta-directive. So besides para and ortho, meta is also created. Meta aniline, nitroaniline is also created. Though this is 51% created, approx it is 2, or meta is less than para, but much more greater than ortho. But the reason is this: because in strong acidic medium, anilinium ion is created.